Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your account login password on PS4. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and swipe to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Login Settings. Now select Login Passcode Management. Select Change Login Passcode. Start by entering your current passcode, then enter your new one on the next page. Your login password has now been updated, and that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.